The creator claims I've made millions using this strategy and it's called the sweet spot. Well, I had to test that. It is presented as a precision entry framework. You don't need many trades, you don't need many indicators. You just need one high probability location. The strategy theory is this: a trend line on a 4-hour chart. We have a break of that trend line. Once that happens, we've established a sweet spot, as can be seen in the output of my test, where I give the sweet spot top and bottom, the green dashed lines. Once that happens, you drop to a lower time frame, 15 minutes, and you wait for a retest, which happened. Now you wait for a fair value gap with a break of structure. That happened here, 6 hours after the retest and bounce. This is your entry. Put on your long position, make sure that your stop loss is beneath structure, so very large stop losses. And I found a 2-to-1 risk reward was the best, so let's plot that. And then you're in. And that was a winner. No chasing, no guessing. And now this is important. This strategy is slow and it needs meticulous patience. So degens beware. So the results, I didn't optimize it, I didn't reinterpret it, I didn't improve it. But I did use our realistic trading simulation. Test period from the 1st of October 2025 to the 20th of December 2025. The results are 36.8% win rate, only 4 trades actually taken. Average win 51%. This system needs huge winners. Average loss 22.9. Those huge stop losses. 2 things jumped out fast really. Trade count is very low. This is not an active dynamic strategy. The stop losses are huge, and they have to be to give this strategy time to breathe. The structure that gives you edge also forces you to sit through pain. Long consolidations, drawdown. This is not a comfortable system. Let's check out that. Look at XAI. You went in here, and the drawdown and the drawdown and the pain. Is it going to recover? No, you're out. When it works really well. One trade can carry an entire month, and it needs to. So this part of the strategy is good, but the losses are brutal, aren't they? Not because they're frequent, because they're slow. Most traders would move the stop or take some action, exit early, and then they wouldn't win. So this strategy doesn't make millions by itself. It needs discipline, capital, position sizing, and emotional tolerance. Without those, the maths never gets a chance to play out. He does recommend taking profit off the table as you go and leaving some on and let the big winners rise. That's a good idea. He also recommends trailing stops, but this was designed for the Forex market, and this is crypto, much more volatile. I found that raising stops didn't really work. They took out the big winners that this strategy relies upon. So it's not fake. I cannot TA bust it, but I can say TA be careful. Because the sweet spot was designed for Forex and not crypto. I always say this, be careful when you're watching a YouTube video to learn how to trade. Make sure it's a crypto related one. The market and the volatility is completely different. If there's another strategy you'd like me to test, drop it in the comments. We don't judge, we test. So subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one.